Good afternoon, students. In today's class, the topic which I am going to explain, that is about the hormones. I will be explaining you in detail about the various types of glands which are present in the human body. All the glands which are present in the human body, they are categorized into two types or in two groups. One is the exocrine glands and the another is the endocrine glands are there. So first I will explain you what are exocrine glands. So exocrine glands are those glands which secrete their hormones through the ducts or indirectly into the bloodstream. So exocrine glands are those glands which do not directly secrete their hormones into the bloodstream, but they secrete these hormones into the bag or sac-like structures called ducts, and then from these ducts the hormones are secreted or released into the body according to the requirement. Second important thing about the exocrine gland which you should remember, that some of the examples of the exocrine glands and their function I am going to explain you. That is, first is the digestive glands, and these digestive glands, they are secreting digestive juices. So these digestive glands which are kept under the category of the exocrine glands, they are responsible for secreting the digestive juices which are helping in the process of digestion of food in the human body. Second, another example of the exocrine gland, that is the salivary glands which are responsible for secreting the saliva in the mouth. Third, sebaceous glands are there. They are responsible for producing oil in the human body, or they are called as oil producing glands. And fourth example of the exocrine gland are the sweat glands, and these sweat glands, they are responsible for release of sweat in the human body. After this, I am going to explain you about the second category of the glands which are present in the human body, which are called as the endocrine glands. And these endocrine glands are such type of glands which secrete their hormones directly into the bloodstream. Because in these endocrine glands, the bag or sac-like structure called ducts are not present. And due to this reason, these endocrine glands, they are also called as the ductless glands. Now students, I am going to explain you in detail about the function, location and the name of the hormones which are secreted by some of the major endocrine glands which are present in our body. Among that, first one is the pituitary glands, and these pituitary glands, they are present in the brain and are called as the master's gland. These pituitary glands which are present in the brain of the human beings, they are also called as the master's gland. Why they are called as the master's gland? Because the hormones which are secreted by these glands, the hormones which are secreted by these pituitary glands, they are responsible for controlling the secretion of the hormones by various other glands.